Hey guys, so I am so excited to show you guys this month's Scentsy subscription box. This box is a $30 box, but you always get more than $30 worth of full-sized product. So that's the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys, is that you are always going to get more than you paid for. And that's the great thing about this subscription box. You have the ability to sign up for it, to get it one time, or to continue to get it monthly. But it comes in a box obviously labeled with Scentsy, so it's still perfect for gifts that really hard to buy for a person. They are really gonna love something like this, just because they get to try out a bunch of new products. So this box changes every month, and this is our October box. This came with just like a little last minute decor where you can make some lanterns. Your kids may really enjoy doing that. I know if mine see anything like that, they are gonna love that. So Scentsy definitely incorporates all of the other family members as well. So in this box, I am seeing, oh wow, I see 4 full-sized bars, which I am so excited about. I am getting Hug and a Mug, and I've smelled this bar a million times, but it's definitely like chocolate but coffee, but not like overwhelming, but then it has like a little bit of marshmallow, sort of like hot cocoa, I guess, but I like that. And bars are normally $6 a piece, and you're getting 4 full-sized ones here. This next bar that I have is Cedar Cider. That is just a super classic fall scent. It definitely has the spice in it. And if my husband were here, we know I would blindfold him, because he's not allowed to look at the color before he tells me what he thinks it actually smells like. But when you hear the word cedar, a lot of times you probably feel like it's gonna smell really woodsy. It's not super woodsy, but it does have that spice. The next scent is Bright Cider Life, which is a bar that was actually in our Harvest collection. It is so good. It's not a catalog item, so it's not something that you can get all the time, but it is really good. When you hear Bright Cider Life, to me that makes me think of like a really happy scent. And this is definitely happy, and I feel like you can smell like bobbing for apples, but it's not just the apple. It definitely has some sweet to it as well. And then the last bar that I got is Walnut Raisin Muffin, which is our October scent of the month. It's pretty popular. It's definitely a fall scent. When I heard raisin, I was like, oh my gosh, that's going to be awful. But it doesn't smell like a crusty old raisin, because when I don't like raisins, so I feel like I'm being a little biased. But you can definitely, and when you see the word muffin, it's not a strong bakery smell. So it's not going to smell like you're baking, but it will smell like that homey fall scent. I got a room spray in Honey Pear Cider, which is one of the best sellers in the fall for me. I recommend this one a lot to people that maybe don't like a whole lot of cinnamon. I'm not a huge cinnamon fan, just because, I'm going to be honest, way too much Fireball in my life. And so I can't really warm anything that's overpowering with that. But the honey and the pear kind of level it out. So it's a good fall scent. Cider Mill is what I got in a scent circle, and these scent circles, you can hang them mostly in your car, but I've seen people hang them in their closets and things like that. What I like to do is get a scent circle and a room spray in the same scent, and you can sort of freshen up your scent circle when the smell goes away. And yeah, it's just perfect. This right here makes a perfect gift bundle too, if you're already forward thinking about gifts. And then in my box, I am getting 2 shimmer washer whiff samples. Washer whiffs are fragrance crystals that you add into your laundry to make it smell fabulous. And to me, shimmer is really, really good. It was one of my ultimate favorites in a bar, and it was discontinued, but I'll take what I can get in the laundry. And then the other thing that I got was a sample cup, which is, I already used it. It's about the size of a tester, and it was in the scent Jeweled Pomegranate, which is the November scent of the month. If you get the WhiffBox, you usually get it before consultants get their scent of the month, and I actually really do like that scent. I would say that it has, like, when it says shimmering, definitely has like a champagne type smell in it. And once again, I'm not a huge cinnamon fan, but I don't smell a ton of cinnamon. I can give you tons of recommendations if you love cinnamon. I'm just not a huge cinnamon fan. Another thing that I really want you guys to know about the WhiffBox is you can get it half off. Hello! Half off. And you can get it half off by adding it to your Scentsy Club subscription. So there is no fee to sign up for Scentsy Club. You can sign up and cancel or adjust at any time that you would like. But at the $30 mark, you are going to get 10% off of your entire order. However, when you up that order to $60, you are able to get a half off item. So I usually suggest to my club subscribers to get to that $60 mark, get your WhiffBox half off. And so if you're getting it half off, this WhiffBox is $30, you're only paying $15 for all of this product. You would be getting 4 full-sized bars, a room spray, a scent circle, and tons of samples for only $15. Like, Scentsy Club is life. So I definitely suggest that. There's tons of other perks about Scentsy Club. If you want to hear more about that, there is a link in my link tree. I am more than happy to answer any questions about that as well. But this month's WhiffBox is thebomb.com. You always get more than you pay for, and I definitely take care of my Scentsy Club subscribers. All right, I will talk to you guys again later.